and welcome to Armadillo Comics. So, a couple days ago, this past Wednesday, Stray Dogs Dog Days issue 1 of 2 came out, and the writer, his name is, I might not be pronouncing this right, but I think it's Tony Fleecs. He was here in town, and he signed some comics, and I got a video of him signing some stuff for me. So, here that is.
Do you like me to sign this to you or just sign it?
Yeah, that'd be great to sign it to me.
Yeah, what's your name?
Camden, Camden.
Alright, got it. Can't believe I almost wrote Camden. There we go. Yeah, we'll just buy that and let Mom give it to someone.
Thanks, Tony. We gotta cut. We'll grab those ones over there. Just set them on the table.
Yeah.
Do you mind signing these two? You can just sign them. They don't need to have a name on them. Thanks. They're for his sisters. They were otherwise occupied today.
Busy time of year.
So, as you can see in that video there, he signed the new Stray Dogs Dog Days number 1 of 2. And he also signed the Free Comic Book Day Stray Dogs issue for me. That was a reprint of issue 1 with a new prologue that came out on Free Comic Book Day. So he signed both that and the Dog Days issue 1. Thanks for watching Armadillo Comics. If you like this video, please subscribe, and again, thanks for watching.